Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to break down how to create great titles for your YouTube content using TubeBuddy. Come on in, check it out, let's get going. All right, guys, first things first. Before we get started, make sure that you've got TubeBuddy installed on your browser. If you haven't done that, go ahead right now, click on the link down below here. You'll see it. You'll be able to engage with TubeBuddy and download that tool right now. Now that you've got your TubeBuddy extension installed, you'll see it pop up here on your YouTube page. We're going to use that. It's going to come in handy for creating a really great title for your upcoming video. First things first, you got to have a great idea for your video. So let's use this one for example. How you're going to use TubeBuddy to create great titles for your YouTube videos, okay? Now that's a long idea. We really want to take that idea and boil it down to its simplest form to throw into the search bar here. So create great YouTube titles. Let's throw that into the search bar and see what we come up with. Okay, so right from the start, we put how to make YouTube titles. We've thrown that in here and we can see right away from our keyword score over here on the right, TubeBuddy's doing the heavy lifting. It's checking out the search engine for us to let us know the volume of people searching this, the level of competition that we're seeing, how many searches a month are coming in, and gives us an overall score on how we're doing. Now, 36 out of 100 isn't fantastic. So we're actually going to want to take some time here and consider the other solutions that we have, related searches, most used tags, and come up with another title that we think might have better results here. So taking a look at some of the ideas that were in how to create YouTube titles, what I realized was there was a lot of creativity there. So what I took from that theme was create great YouTube titles to see if we would get better results on our keyword score. And right away what we see is there is an excellent level of competition. So there's fewer videos that are going to rank for this that you're going to be competing against. And the search volume is still fairly good. What this means is that we're headed in the right direction. Now, 81 is an excellent score. I want to see if we can optimize this just a little bit more and push the envelope to get us even further up the way. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so taking a look at it, I was thinking very much this was about your videos. We see that over and over and over again, that idea of for your videos, how to do it for your videos. Throwing that into the search bar and adding it to the title that we improved on before, we've gone from how to make YouTube titles to create great YouTube titles, and now we're looking at create great YouTube titles for your videos. Obviously, the keyword score likes this. We see there's an excellent search volume on this. The competition is good, and overall, we're getting 100 out of 100 on our keyword search. This is an excellent title for you to use for your video. You guys see how simple that is, where this trial and error using the related searches, the most used tags, as well as looking at the other videos that are here, we were able to just problem solve and take a couple of ideas each step of the way to improve this overall keyword score and give us better results on the search. This is a great start as far as your video SEO goes, guys. Hopefully this is helpful for you in making simple steps to create better titles that are going to draw more traffic. Now, this is just getting the ball rolling on video SEO. And if you want to watch more, check out future videos that we're doing in the series on how to properly use your description to its fullest. What kind of keywords you're supposed to be using in your tags in order to drive traffic and help YouTube better understand your videos. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If so, make sure that you click the like and the subscribe button for future content on the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.